What's going on, guys? So let's take a quick look at the markets today. I got the triple Qs pulled up the nasdaq. It's been rough. Okay, it's not the most easiest. Let me take this old trend line off here because this was acting as prior resistance here. We broke out a long time ago. Okay, it hasn't been the easiest environment to trade, okay, to say the least. Definitely has been a choppy market. It definitely has felt a lot slower. Some stocks are given a good pop at the open and then kind of just, fading or like slowly drifting the rest of the day. Other stocks are vice versa. They're getting, a big flush at the morning and then kind of creeping back over some levels throughout the day. Triple Qs finished actually 2.5 points up, 0.74 on the day. 378 is the price. So here's what I want to really take a look at on the NASDAQ and the triple Qs. Okay. Was that the short term bottom? Okay. We don't know yet because, we never want to assume, we never want to think or guess where the price is going. As traders, we always want to react. Okay. So we're always reacting to price action. We're always reacting to support levels, to resistance levels. And, when those indicators, give us signs is when we're acting on the trades. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down days. Typically, rule of thumb, obviously nothing is ever set in stone. 3 to 4 days red. Normally we get some sort of a relief bounce. Okay. So we're going on 5 down days. Today would be the 5th. And we got that relief bounce. Where did we get that relief bounce? At the linear regression channel 50 demand zone, as well as we bounced off the 20-day moving average perfectly. Okay. So if you're looking at my chart right now, the 20-day moving average is currently the purple trend line that is on my screen. We came down, tested it 2 times. Today, tested it for the 3rd time, and then reclaimed that along with the 5-day moving average, which is the short-term sentiment for, stocks. And for me, the birth of the trade always starts at the 10-day moving average. And the 10-day moving average is this blue line here that I'm highlighting on my screen. So currently still below the 10-day moving average here. We did come up and test yesterday's high price and kind of got rejected and stuffed. Also, you'll see the 10-day moving average is going to act as a level of resistance. So if this is a little bit of a relief bounce before another leg down to possibly test the 50-day moving average here, what am I looking for? I'm looking for a reclaim of the 50-day moving average and perhaps come into this zone here, challenging this channel from September the 10th. That price would put us at about 380, 381. And if the market is going to continue to take that next big break and possibly retest the 50-day moving average, I think this is where it's going to come. So what are we really looking for here on the NASDAQ, as well as some of the tech stocks, as well as a lot of the stocks in the NASDAQ 100? We are looking to confirm today's price action as well as yesterday's high price here. And we're looking to take out this price action and close above the 10-day moving average. If we can close above the 10-day moving average, you can expect some of these stocks who have been taking a little bit of a breath, retracing into rising support. Some of these stocks that have been sitting on support the past few days or been fading off the past few days, we can expect some of these stocks to start to bounce. So going into tomorrow, I don't want to have too much of a long or short bias. However, I'm going to give the bulls the benefit of the doubt and say that we're going to have a day 2, possibly day 3 to end the week. A little bit of a relief rally. Does that mean we're going to come back up here and test 382.78 and make all-time highs? No. Okay. Until we start closing and building above this 382 and then retesting 382 to see if this prior resistance is going to be new support, is when I'm going to say it's time to start getting long biased on a day-to-day basis. But as of right now, pretty good price action on the day. We did see some stocks start to bounce towards the end of the day. Tesla had a really good day. DocU had a good day. Netflix has been selling off for a few days now. We're actually, had a big run up, kind of just back testing support. Had a good day. Microsoft, phenomenal day. Snow has actually just been on fire ever since the 275 break last month. Some stocks are moving. Airbnb was moving today. Boeing taking a little bit of a bounce. Amazon also taking a little bit of bounce. So let's go ahead and continue to watch the NASDAQ and the triple Qs. Let's see if we reclaim this 10-day moving average. If we can reclaim this 379.20, expect some of the stocks that you like to trade in the NASDAQ 100 to also get a sympathy bounce going forward. Also, guys, please stick to 3 to 4 stocks on your watch list, okay? It's never a good idea, you know, to just be scanning through stocks, looking at what's green, looking at what's red, looking at what's green, and then you're looking at too many things and then you miss something. You come back to the stock that you were watching in the morning or maybe the prior night, and the next thing you know, that stock ran 3, 4, 5 points and you're already missed the boat. So focus on 3 to 4 stocks, mark out your levels depending on your indicators. If you guys don't have a true trading plan and system, check out my website down below in the description box. Also join the Discord that's down in the description box. Please do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys all on the next video.